Hi everyone, it's me Harish Kundur. I'm uploading this video after 3 months. What I was doing last few months, I was creating one robotics and IoT platform specially designed for Micropython. This is an ESP32-C3 based development platform. You can see the revisions from the left side. One of my working revisions you can see on the left side. Then it is upgraded with some advanced JST connectors with a micro USB port. Then the blue cover one, that is a case with OLED display support. Then the next one is the robotic kit. It is 1.5 version with a USB-C, and you can use LiPo battery to power the entire device. Then sensor modules I am still developing. Soon you can see which is available to everyone. Support me. Thank you.